In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit screenshots with Canva. First, open Canva and head to your design. To bring in your screenshot, click Upload or simply drag and drop the file right onto the editor. Once it appears on the canvas, click the image to select it, then choose Edit Photo. This opens the editing tools you'll use throughout the process. Start with the basics. Use the corner handles to resize the screenshot so it fits your layout. If you only need part of the image, click the crop icon and drag the edges to trim out anything distracting. You can also rotate the image to straighten it or create a more dynamic layout if your screenshot was captured at an angle. These simple tweaks help focus attention on the important parts of your image. Next, add context with text and elements. Click the text tool to place annotations, labels, or short instructions. Keep your font size readable and pick colors with strong contrast so the text stands out against the screenshot. Then, visit the Elements tab to add arrows, boxes, and icons that guide the viewer's eye. Arrows are great for pointing to buttons or fields, while rectangles or circles can highlight key areas without covering too much of the image. To make your screenshot clearer, enhance it with adjustments. In Edit Photo, open Adjust and fine-tune brightness, contrast, and saturation. A small boost in contrast often makes interface elements and text easier to read, while slight brightness changes can recover details in darker areas. If you want an instant, cohesive style, try a filter to quickly change the overall look. Just keep it subtle so the information remains easy to see. If you have Canva Pro, you can speed up edits with advanced AI tools. Grab Text lets you select the text inside your screenshot and convert it into editable text, so you can fix typos or update wording as if it were a regular text box. Magic Eraser or Magic Edit allows you to brush over unwanted parts like stray cursors or backgrounds and remove or replace them with AI-generated content. And if you need a clean cutout, Background Remover can remove the background from your screenshot to place it on a new background or layout. When you're ready to export, click Share or Download and choose your format. PNG is great for crisp interface details, while JPEG keeps file sizes lighter. Save your edited screenshot and you're done. Thanks for watching.